What will you receive? This Rhinestone glue gel set come with 2 pots of 8 ml no wipe Rhinestone glue, 3 PCs pen tools, 1 PCs Rhinestone pickup pen, a tweezer. These tools can help you to use the gel conveniently and easily for your nail rhinestones design DIY. Strong stickiness and long-lasting effect and non-toxic odor. It is mainly made of natural resin, whose good viscosity enables nail decoration and rhinestones to stay on the nail surface for a long time, and whose non-toxic property does no harm to natural nails. Gem No Wipe LED Rhinestone Glue Gel. The no wipe glue gel remains super sticky even after curing without wiping off, so as to better hold the rhinestones. Gem Multi-Purpose, suitable for creating nail art, sticking fake nails instead of nail glue, and working as no wipe top coat. You can also use it for decorative crafts, such as applying to cell phone cases, shoes, clothes, guitars, laptops, etc. Gem 100% worry-free guarantee. We always stand on the customer's side to ensure the quality of the products. If you have any question about this no wipe nail rhinestone glue gel set, please send us a message for a solution. We will deal with it as quickly as possible and guarantee you a satisfying shopping experience. Top reviews from the United States. Great glue. Hold everything in place. I bought his glue gel and a set of Allenbell gel polish together, and they play very nicely together. I did find this gel to be very thick, so I cured it for about 2 minutes to be sure it set all the way. It did.